So today I want to talk about how to get your large format pavers. Like today I'm standing here on a pallet of Blu Grande, or large format pavers. A lot of this product is being laid today, and it's a big struggle how to get it from pallet to pavement. If again, getting your fingers underneath here, trying to get it over to the laying field. I'm going to show you today with our large slab. So really unique, this is the most inexpensive way to get product in the laying field using an excavator. Today I got the Mechalak MCR6. Great product for getting product obviously to the pavement. So when it comes time to setting up the large slab, I normally would set my pivoting end here, then slide the tail end. And what I generally want to do is keep about 1 inch or 3/4 of an inch away from the block. I'm going to want to check the bottom level here. I want to make sure I'm grabbing down towards the bottom so you got good gripping on the product. So my nylon pads, the adjustment is fine here. Again, if I was doing a real thin paver, I'd lower these down so you're grabbing on the bottom part of your product. When I pick this part up, I do want to make sure that I'm center of product. So when I am picking it up, the product hangs nice and level. If this is on this end, it's going to hang on a skewed angle. So we want to make sure this is properly adjusted. I'm all set to go. We're going to couple to our Mechalak, and you're going to be able to see how fast and efficient a clamping device is for getting product from pallet to pavement. And again, maybe there's some of the drawbacks or other options that are out there. We have our suction equipment, which works great. This is obviously much simpler, less expensive option. We also have our suction equipment, which is great, does the same thing. You're going to move at the same speeds of installation. Nice advantage of the suction is you can remove product easily, where with a clamp, it's sometimes a little bit difficult if you don't have a wide enough joint to get the clamp back into it to pick a product out. Say you had a low spot, or you also realized you had a chipped or cracked product. So a couple options there. Let's see what we can do. Now that's what I call taking the heart out of hardscaping. Full pallet, 22 pieces, 92 square feet, hardly breaking a sweat, using my hydraulics, using a simple clamp, getting product from pallet to pavement. Again, let's take that heart out of hardscaping.